Welcome back to Next Gen Mobility, the channel where we explore the future of transportation, one innovation at a time. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Cadillac Vistiq, the latest electric SUV in Cadillac's ever-expanding EV lineup. This is not just a luxury vehicle, it's a statement of where American automotive design is heading. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Vistiq builds on Cadillac's new-age design language, first seen in the Lyriq and Escalade IQ. It features a bold, vertical front fascia, centered around the signature black crystal shield grille that lights up with a choreographed welcome animation. The slimline vertical LED headlamps give it a futuristic gaze, while the sculpted hood and angular lines amplify its athletic stance. From the side, the Vistiq is pure elegance, with flush door handles, aerodynamic contours, and 22-inch multi-spoke wheels that are both imposing and refined. Around the back, vertical LED taillights stretch from roof to bumper, paired with a subtly integrated roof spoiler that enhances downforce and visual flair. The Vistiq's proportions are clean, symmetrical, and commanding, balancing modern aggression with Cadillac's signature poise. Step inside, and the transformation continues. The interior of the 2026 Vistiq is where Cadillac blends high-tech with high luxury. The moment you enter, you're greeted by a sweeping 55-inch pillar-to-pillar LED display, seamlessly merging the instrument cluster and infotainment systems. This immersive screen delivers crystal-clear graphics, intuitive controls, and seamless Google built-in integration. The steering wheel is redesigned with capacitive touch controls, while the ambient lighting system wraps around the cabin with 126 color configurations. Materials inside are top-shelf real wood trim, laser-etched aluminum, and ethically sourced leather line every surface. Passengers enjoy ventilated, massaging seats, dual-zone climate, and ultra-quiet acoustics thanks to active noise cancellation and triple-sealed doors. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the chassis, the Vistiq rides on GM's Ultium platform. Powering this electric SUV is a dual-motor all-wheel drive system that delivers an estimated 500 horsepower and 610 lb-ft of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 60 in just under 4.5 seconds, impressive for a luxury SUV of this size. With a projected range of up to 360 miles on a full charge, the Vistiq also supports 350 kilowatts DC fast charging, giving you about 100 miles in just 10 minutes. Thanks to adaptive air suspension and magnetic ride control, it offers a smooth, composed ride in all conditions. The Vistiq is not just about performance, it's packed with tech. It includes Super Cruise, GM's hands-free driving system with automatic lane changes, available on over 400,000 miles of compatible roads in North America. A full suite of safety systems like lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree surround camera comes standard. There's also a rear-seat entertainment package, built-in Wi-Fi, and an AKG Studio reference sound system with 36 speakers. Cadillac has come a long way from its roots as a symbol of American luxury. With the Vistiq, it's not just preserving that legacy, it's rewriting it for the EV era. Bold, elegant, and undeniably high-tech, the 2026 Cadillac Vistiq is more than just a new model, it's the next chapter in luxury electric mobility. Thanks for watching Next Gen Mobility. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into the world of future vehicles. Until next time, drive electric, stay curious, and keep moving forward.